this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, the top luxury brokerage here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. I am at Playa Prieta, and I'm about to show you one of my new exclusive listings. We are at Divine Retreats. We're at the penthouse. It's a beautiful 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,160 square feet condo, and I can't wait to show it to you. Enjoy this beautiful property tour today. When you come in the front door, you're greeted with this incredible view of the ocean. You've got 2 bedrooms on each side. They're like master suites. They have queen beds, ensuite bathrooms, and both have walk-in closets. And you've got these beautiful leather couches to hang out in. This covered terrace runs the entire length of this condo. Out of each bedroom, you've got your own balcony doors with sitting areas. And out your kitchen living room, you've got this great area so you can dine outside. From here, I can see Flamingo, I can see the marina. You can see the Playa Potrero. I know Penca Beach is right there. You've got this beautiful island that's protected that will always stay there. And then you've got Playa Prieta. You can actually hear the waves, and you can also hear the parrots. And this would be an incredible spot to enjoy the sunset because it sets right in front of you. Divine Retreats number 4 penthouse is one of 4 condos that shares this pool. It's surrounded by palm trees, so you feel like you're somewhere tropical. You can hear the parrots, you can see the ocean, and best of all, you're walking distance to the beach. Divine Retreats is a 2-minute drive to Playa Potrero. There you'll find a beautiful beach that's great for walking. You've got restaurants and shops as well, grocery stores. You're also close to Playa Penca, which is a white sand beach, and you're about a 5-minute drive to Las Catalinas. In Las Catalinas, it's a European city. There you'll find amazing hiking and biking trails, also some wonderful restaurants. About a 5-minute walk from the condo, down a magical road covered with trees, you arrive at this beautiful beach. It's called Playa Prieta. Here it's amazing for swimming, watching the sunset, and just enjoying these incredible days we have in Costa Rica. If you would like this paradise to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachreality.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to speak with you. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida.